Shooting this dining table scene in Fana, Amir, Kajol, Chintu ji and one child. And 10 बजे रात को they're on the dining table, घंटी बजती है and I tell them, you're in the middle of the conversation, at this point I'll say ting tong and your look के दरवाज़ा वहाँ पर है. ठीक है. I take the shot, I do ting tong, Amir, Kajol, child look over there, Chintu ji looks there. घड़ी की तरफ कि 10 बजे रात को खाना.
Wow.
And I said cut it and I said Chintu ji hats off to you and shame on me as a director for not doing that. He's like हाँ मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ तुम्हारे घर में घंटी बजती है क्या तुम दरवाजे की तरफ देखते हो तुम घड़ी की तरफ देखते हो ना कि इतने बजे कौन आया.
Attention to detail.
Attention to detail, that Rishi Kapoor is the master of that. Master. He does the smallest of things which you won't see as an audience, but it all adds up to his process. Same film, Fana. Amir is lying on the sofa. Chintu ji and Kajol come from outside. There's a fireplace in the middle, and they walk. They say one dialogue and walk. And Kajol comes. And outside there's a snowstorm going on. She comes, she walks, she goes past. Chintu ji comes. As he walks past the fireplace, he just secos his hand like this and he goes. What Kajol do was wrong? No. But did what he do was right?
Right.
Yes. He just added a little extra to it, which you will not even see, which you will not even notice as acting.
Correct.
That is acting. That is performance. In Hum Tum, there's this scene, he walks through the door. Just walks through the door and he has to play the answering machine. For that shot, he said, give me a thela, give me a keychain with 5-6 keys, give me some letters and all that have come. And one of the assistants asked, sir, why 5-6 keys? He said, अच्छा बेटे सुनो मैं अकेले रह रहा हूँ इस घर में एम्स्टरडैम में मैं अकेले रह रहा हूँ इस घर में मेरे पास गराज की चाबी होगी मेरे पास गाड़ी है तो गराज की चाबी होगी कार की चाबी होगी नीचे लेटर बॉक्स खोलने की चाबी होगी घर की चाबी होगी तो 4 चाबियां तो होंगी एक किचन में तो एटलीस्ट दैट एंड देन व्हेन आई हैव कम होम व्हेन यू लिव अलोन यू पिक अप लेटर्स दिस दैट फ्रॉम योर मेल बॉक्स एंड कम इन और मैंने कुछ शॉपिंग वॉपिंग किया होगा तो ये है ये सब मुझे ला के दो अभी शॉट देने से पहले यू डोंट इवन रियलाइज ऑल दीज थिंग्स बट ही एड्स ऑल दिस एज